Hey, we're here in Hampton, Virginia. We're picking up a couple box springs and a king-size mattress. If you don't know, the king size, they come with two box springs. I wasn't expecting this. The client had told me that it was one mattress set. This does make it a little bit difficult because I do just have the pickup truck, so we're gonna get that done. I'll be back once I got a little bit of into the truck. It's gonna be a little bit of a squeeze. So we're just finishing up here. We're loading up the last box spring. As you can tell, I am fully loaded. Yeah, so we're gonna have to get the straps out to fully secure this load. And I'm not driving too far down the street. Just have to drop this off in my trailer, and then we're gonna take it to the dump Monday. Just about to take a picture for the client, and after we do that, we'll be all good to go. If you guys like this video, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button, because there will be plenty more where this came from.